Pakistan has reaffirmed its unwavering support for the right to self-determination of the people of IIOJK and Palestine during the 19th ministerial meeting of the non-aligned movement held in Kampala, Uganda. Pakistan's stance underscores its commitment to the Kashmir and Palestine issues, emphasizing the need for a peaceful resolution that respects the right and aspirations of the people in these regions. Senior Indian Army commanders have reviewed the operational preparedness of troops deployed along the line of control LOC and in the hinterland areas of Rajouri and Poonch districts in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The review is part of New Delhi's effort to reinforce its military presence in the territory aimed ongoing tensions and security concerns. US President Donald Trump has warned that his administration will keep imposing massive tariffs on Indian goods until New Delhi completely stops importing Russian oil. Trump claimed that petroleum trade with Moscow funds Russia's war in Ukraine and the US will take measures to prevent countries from undermining the sanctions imposed on Russia. The US has been critical of India's decision to import Russian oil at discounted prices, and the tariff has seen as measure to pressure India into complying with US sanctions. The Council on American Islamic Relations (CAIR) has called on social media companies to take immediate action against Indian Hindutva groups using artificial intelligence and bot network to spread anti-Muslim hate and incite violence online. CAIR's demand highlighting the growth concern over online hate speech and the role of social media platforms in perpetuating it. The organization has been critical of the Indian government policies and actions, which it sees as promoting Hindu nationalism and marginalizing minority communities. Pakistan's former ambassador to the United States, China and United Nations, Sardar Masood Khan, has warned that India is turning Afghanistan into a proxy battleground to destabilize Pakistan and stretch its security operation on both eastern and western fronts. Khan's warning underscores the complex regional dynamics and security concerns, particularly into the context of US withdrawal from Afghanistan and the Taliban's return to power. The development has significant implications for Pakistan's security and stability, and Khan's warning highlights the need for a diplomatic solution to address the concerns of all parties involved. Posters have appeared in various areas of Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir urging people to observe October 27 as a Black Day in protest against Indian illegal occupation of the territory. The call is a testament to the Kashmiris' ongoing resistance against Indian rule and their demand for self-determination. October 27 is observed a Black Day to commemorate the day when Maharaja Hari Singh signed the Instrument of Accession, which led to Jammu and Kashmir accession to India in 1947.